Hello and welcome again. In the previous video, we talked about Microsoft's Business Central and why it is the right choice for your organization as a new ERP system, and how you don't need the entire solution to get started with it. In this video, we'll talk about our premium implementation offering, Business Central Elite. It's a comprehensive business and manufacturing implementation to get all the modules up and running in just 10 weeks. Before we start, let's recap. Why Business Central? Business Central isn't just the software solution. It is your key to scaling operations, integrating data securely, streamlining processes, optimizing inventory and supply chains, enhancing customer service, and anticipating business challenges, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. We understand that different organizations have different needs, and that's why we have created 3 distinct packages: the Business Central Lite, Delight, and Elite. Your organization will be able to start with only the features you require today.
In the Elite package, we're all about getting your core business and manufacturing modules up and running in just 10 weeks. This package is relevant to you if A. You are a medium-large size business that deals in product-centric or service-centric industries such as manufacturing, distribution, retail, or professional services. B. You have basic accounting needs and want to integrate your financial management with other business functions like purchase, sales, manufacturing, warehouse, and assembly. C. You have limited time and budget for your implementation process and want to avoid any unexpected fees or hidden charges. The Elite package helps you get started with your premium ERP setup with just 6 core modules. Sales. Manage your sales cycles from quote to orders to invoices and track your customer interactions and activities. Purchase. Manage your purchasing process from requisitions to receipts to payments and automate your workflows and approvals. Financial management. Manage your accounting, budgeting, and reporting and comply with local and international tax regulations. Assembly management. Manage your assembly orders from assembly to production to delivery and optimize your inventory levels and cost. Manufacturing. Manage your manufacturing process from demand planning to capacity planning to production scheduling and improve your quality and efficiency. You can also use built-in features to manage your machine centers, work centers, and production centers. Warehouse. Manage your warehouse operations from receiving to picking to shipping and increase your accuracy and productivity. You can also use built-in functionality to support different warehouse layouts, zones, and bins.
But that's not all. You'll have 2 weeks of dedicated support post-go live to make sure you're cruising smoothly. The Elite Premium Implementation Package is competitively priced at $56,600. Elite is best suited for mid-sized to large manufacturers, wholesalers, or distributors. It helps you get all your comprehensive business and manufacturing functionality running on a cost-effective ERP with the option to add more advanced functionality modules as you grow. If you're a manufacturer, make sure you check out our easy-to-integrate Business Central add-ons such as plant maintenance, advanced purchase, quality control, item code generator, and more listed on Microsoft AppSource page. If you're a small to mid-sized business looking to get your core business essentials up and running on an ERP, check out our Business Central Delight Package Explainer video, which offers unique advantages to suit your specific needs. If you're a small business looking to get started with just financials, check out our Business Central Lite Package Explainer video. Your perfect solution is just around the corner.